Well, hello Rover fans, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Eve 2024. This will be a very speedy update video because I'm off in a minute to do family stuff and I haven't really done much on either of the cars. I'll explain. Well, actually, first off, by saying a big thank you to Ian C for providing me with this bespoke SD1 key hanger, not a keychain. So that's either laserjet or waterjet cut in a profile of an SD1 with 5 little key hooks, and he's left it in grey primer ready so I can paint it whatever colour I like. And I think I might do diesel eclipse blue because I know I've still got some of that left. But yeah, big thank you to Ian. If you want stuff like that made, that is his details. So either on Facebook or Etsy. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So thanks again, Ian. That was my Christmas present. What can I tell you? I have done several things, one of which is the door cards. That is the front passenger and it's actually pretty good. That one could be reused, but the drivers were knackered. I had 2 of them, 1, 2, but they are so far gone they're not worth saving. I did, however, have a claret or oxblood door card that's in really good nick. It's just obviously red, not blue, but that can be fixed. I have in here got custom aerosol. This is Colorbond or vinyl coat. You can send off a sample. They normally need about 1 inch square, which is why there's a bit of vinyl missing from there and a bit of vinyl missing from there, but they can basically colour match vinyl, and I've used it before on my police car to do brown and it worked brilliantly. So that will be going on the door cards. The glove boxes I think are okay, they won't need recolouring, but that just gets me out of a hole with that horrible door card. Seats, the front seats were horrible. Thanks to a guy up north, I can't remember his name, but he was in a breaker's yard and found an SD1 that was very rotten, but it had the same colour trim. So what he did is sent me down the front seats. So I've got bits and pieces here to make up 2 good front seats. It will involve quite a lot of stitching because, like for example, this one here looks really nice until you realise that some total scrote has stuck a fag lighter in it and melted the velour. So the plan is, where I've got a decent seat like that, cut the side out of it, take fabric from something like this, so that's a good side panel, and then stitch it into that one. Here is a good backrest that I've already started working on. So I've turned it inside out and undone all the hog rings and the strings and pulled it off. But basically on this one, the actual stitching thread has rotted and pulled apart. So this one, where it's got piping, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of velour and it won't fit through my sewing machine. So I'll have to hand stitch that, but that'll stabilise that. Then that can go back onto that one. And then it's a case of sorting the bases. This one's got like a tear through it there, so I might have a go with fabric glue and gluing a bit in from behind. I don't know how well that'll work, or I've probably got enough fabric from some of these to make up more panels if I need to. So really that's what's gone on with the diesel, not really done a lot else. The twin plenum vitesse, I've been installing, excuse me, the axles. So there's the front one, new rack, new rod ends. Well, every nut and bolt is either new, or where there's special ones for the calipers, they've just been zinc passivated. Strut is mounted, brand new steering gaiter, top bearing, all the rest of it. Track rod ends, the original ones that I was fitting, I found that one of them, the rubber boot, had perished and disintegrated, so they've just had new ones again, which I've painted up black. These are the hubs that are going to go on temporarily to allow me to just roll the cart around. Back plate to go on as well. Oh yeah, fuel tank, that's all done and ready. Filler neck done and ready. Tank guard done. Bracketry underneath, that is the steering column with that's the flexible coupling, the vibration damper really in the column. That's a new one because that one's knackered. New handbrake cable. Under the back, everything is installed and nice and shiny and new, which is good. So yeah, I'm a bit behind schedule. I wanted that on its axles off the rotisserie so I could paint the engine bay, paint the inside, and then start actually building it up, because as I build that car up, boxes of crap will disappear and go back into the car, therefore giving me more space. But anyway, that's a very quick tour of what I've been up to. Sorry it's not a longer video, but I just haven't had time. Hopefully in the new year I can get on with other bits and pieces. But anyway, have an excellent Christmas, enjoy the festivities, and see you in 2025. Bye.